How does a project communication plan help negotiate with stakeholders? Imagine trying to build a bridge without knowing who will use it or what they need. That's what negotiating with stakeholders feels like without a solid communication plan. A project communication plan acts as a roadmap for sharing information clearly and on time. It spells out who the stakeholders are, what they need to know, and how they prefer to receive updates. This helps project managers stay organized and ensures everyone is on the same page from the start. When communication is consistent and predictable, stakeholders feel respected and involved. This builds trust, which is key when working through disagreements or reaching agreements. Having a communication plan also shows that the project manager understands each stakeholder's role and interests. When you know what matters most to them, you can craft messages that directly address their concerns. This reduces misunderstandings and makes negotiations smoother. Regular updates about project progress, challenges, and decisions keep stakeholders informed and engaged. When they see transparency, they're more likely to support the project and be open to compromise. The plan also sets expectations about how often and through what channels communication will happen. This prevents information overload or gaps that can cause confusion. Stakeholders appreciate knowing when they will hear from you and through which methods, whether it's email, meetings, or reports. Having a documented plan gives project managers a reference point to manage stakeholder expectations and respond quickly to feedback. For example, if a project hits a delay, a communication plan helps you inform key stakeholders early. You can explain the reasons, outline the next steps, and ask for their input. This openness makes negotiations less tense and more collaborative. You can also schedule meetings at important milestones to get stakeholder support before critical decisions are made. Tailoring communication styles to match stakeholder preferences, like using visuals for some or detailed reports for others, makes discussions more effective. In the end, a project communication plan keeps everyone aligned. It creates a foundation of trust and clarity that makes negotiating with stakeholders easier. It helps you manage expectations, address concerns, and find common ground faster. When everyone feels informed and involved, reaching agreements becomes a lot simpler.